Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Outer Banks. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we get a recovery hook, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, we do get a lift glass as well, full-size spare tire, got these high clearance fender flares, which is pretty nice. We do get a black hardtop with this vehicle, a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection, you got the fender flares on the front, got a nice black graphic on the hood with recovery hooks, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. We got little hooks and doodads to hold your gear, 12-volt light. Your body is molded to the outside color, which is pretty nice. And you got lights here, cargo cubbies, all that jazz. You got floor mats. And you can lift this up for more storage underneath. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray vinyl interior. Got a cargo net back here. You have some storage bags, carpeted interior. You got your windows, rear vents, USB-Cs, 110 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same vinyl interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Bronco logo. An even bigger storage bag up front. Got your lights, parking brake, hood, and a nice little grab handle, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 54 kilometers. We do get this nice heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. We got our voice, phone, toggle free screen, playback, play forward, the Bronco logo, volume, and cruise control. And looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, trip and feel, Bronco information, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with the Bronco logo, speeds, GOAT modes, so goes on all terrain, which is pretty nice, four-wheel drive, trail control, you got your mirrors and windows, you can lock them, all that jazz, cup holders. And you do get that nice little Ford logo, which tells you where your vehicle was made. So Dearborn, Michigan. Nice little phone slot right here. USB, USB-C, storage, all that jazz. Dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, your engine start, auto stop, auto start, volume tune. Nice little Bronco logo right there. Storage below. We do get a sound deadening headliner, which is pretty nice. Trailer turn, traction, and hazards. And you get little outlets up here, which is just 2 USB-Cs. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email. Oh, not fave apps. I'm thinking of a different vehicle. Apps in general, or any apps you download, should be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. You can change your ambient lighting in here, which is pretty nice. You can change it to those fun colors. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA59685, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.